regulate the interpreters that we have.
Tension gripped Kamangu town in Kikuyu sub-county after a man suspected to be a serial killer went on a stabbing spree that left one person dead and 5 others seriously injured before he was lynched by an angry mob. The incident began at Kamangu Trading Center, where the suspect suddenly attacked residents. Witnesses say he first confronted 30-year-old Samuel Kirika, fatally stabbing him before turning on others, amongst them Paul Chege, whom he stabbed on the neck from behind. Chege managed to raise an alarm, drawing the attention of residents, who immediately pursued the suspect. The injured were rushed to Kamangu Orthodox Hospital, where Kirika was pronounced dead. According to medics, one victim is in critical condition. Who was in critical condition was later transferred to Kenyatta National Hospital for specialized treatment.
Walimwendea. Sasa walipomwendea, sasa ndio huyo mwingine neiba yangu alidungiwa huko. Akanikuta sasa kwa hospitali kama amedungwa kisu.
Ameuawa, amekuwa na kisu ile ya jikoni, ameshika kijana mmoja amedunga kisu, akaua, akakimbiza mwingine, akadunga, akaanguka, huyo amekimbizwa Kenyatta, wale wengine wametibiwa pale Orthodox na wakaachiliwa. Kijana naye akakimbilia msitu, akafika hapa Kefri, akawa ameshikwa na watu mob.
Cabinet Secretary for Lands Alice Wahome